So good afternoon, all of you. So Bresson circle drawing algorithm that I have shown this one diagram here. So that my first point, this is my first point that I have shown here my x and y. Okay. So this point you have to consider, this point you have to consider as my initial point. जसं आपण एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट घेतो सर्कलचा. ओके. तर सर्कलला मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट काय असते, दॅट्स यू हॅव टू use the center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle, that you have to take the center of the, suppose this is my center of the circle, and then you have to consider what, that x and y is the center and r is the radius. Once you have drawn this radius over here, r and x and y, so you can easily draw the circle. Now suppose I have considered any point, suppose that I have put any point. So this point I have considered here, that is my the point starting over here. Suppose this is my point. Okay. So what I have considered, this is my point. Okay. So same point, suppose I have put in a x and y n. Okay, in a axis, so that x and y n shows like this is my point. Okay. So this is nothing but any other point, no. So that is the same point, means that's why I have enlarged over here. See, so this is my same point. Okay, so that is my x and y. So this is my starting point I have initialized. So what this algorithm said, once you are passing any point, so what are the upcoming points? So my upcoming points is what, that is a and b, correct? A point or b point. So either the circle is going to from A point, or they can follow the B point. But how you can select this A or B? By using decision parameter. Okay, by using decision to select it. So that we are going to find out. Either you have to select A or B. So what that Bresson algorithm said, the distance means, which one is the distance? The distance from A point to this circle means what, that I put the line. Suppose this is my A to B. This distance and this distance you have to find out. Means D upper. Suppose I have put this in the D. So D upper, and then you can put in the D lower. So we have put this D as in D lower, D upper or D lower. Okay. So now come for the algorithm starting. Now first of all you have to consider the equation of the circle in the function form. So x square plus y square is equal to r square. Suppose I have put in a form of my equation, so that's come in f of circle in a bracket xy, x square plus y square minus r square. This is my equation. Now this is the point I have already told you from x and y. Okay. Suppose this point is passing, this point is passing, so that's the point is come, next point is going to come from this A. So suppose this is my A point over here. Okay. So f of A become what, xn plus 1 yn, because of whenever I'm going to horizontal direction, so x1 is going to increase. Whenever I'm going to yn direction, means downward direction, so yn going to minus, and here xn and yn both are going to increase and decrease. Understood? Now, so this is the point for my A. So that point I have put over here. Okay. So xn plus 1 yn, so that is come xn plus 1 whole square plus yn square, okay, minus r square. Now come for the next one then. F of B. This point also suppose I have put on circle. So what is this f of B going to come? F of B having the coordinate xn plus 1, yn minus 1. Because of yn minus 1 you have to go, and here xn plus 1. So what is the value? Xn plus 1 whole square plus yn minus 1 whole square minus r square. Is it? Now suppose I have said this is my x0 y0 is the starting point. Which one x0 y0? My starting point, this is my x0 y0 starting point. Means this is my initial point. This, suppose this is my circle point, is initial point. Got it? See, I am putting ground over here. Okay. So this point, suppose this is my x0 y0. Okay. This is my x0, y0 point. I have start somewhere, and what is my input value? Center of the circle, and this is my input value was center of the circle and radius r. So I have to consider, suppose x is equals to 0 and y is equals to r. So what is the value become? 0 r. This is my x0, y0 value. Now, once you have considered this my x0, y0, that point on the circle, suppose in a line, suppose I have put this xy point on the line, means this equation must follow that line equation. Again here also the circle, suppose I have put this x0, y0 on the circle. So what is your circle equation? X square plus y square is equal to minus r square. So that should be satisfied your circle equation. So put this point. Which point? This is point. My point, which one? This is my point. Put on these both. Means where I am going to put this 0 to the A and this one to the this one. Means for both I have going to put this value. So what is the equation come? F of A is equal to 0 plus 1 r. So 1 r, 1 square plus r square minus r square after putting, okay, so that is become 1. F of A, that is the f of A become 1. So this is my f of A become 1 first. Understood? Once you have put this 0 plus 1, this is x0 is 0 and y0 is y is r. Okay, so that 1 r that you have to put in x square plus y square minus r square, that will become a 1. Now proceed for the next one then. What is my f of b? This is my f of b. So again I am going to put this f of b. Okay, what is the value of f of b? Is xn plus 1 yn minus 1. So xn is what? 0 and yn is what? R. So put this 0 and r. So suppose 0 and r I am put over here. So this become 1 comma r minus 1. Put this in the equation your circle. So that become 1 square plus r minus 1 square minus r square. Okay. Why I am putting this point on the circle? Because of this is on the circle. That I have considered this is on the circle. And which one the point on the circle? This 0 is r is on the circle. That's why this point I am going to put on both. So that the suppose I put the a, so this become my a value. Okay, and suppose I am going to put on the b, so this might become f of b value. Now what this algorithm said, you have to make the difference of this, means you have to make the sum of these two. Suppose I have put the sum of these two, so what become? Sum f of a plus f of b is equals to 1 plus 2 minus 2r. See 1, this is my 1 value, okay, this is my 1 value plus 2 minus 2r value. So sum of these two become 3 minus 2r. So 3 minus 2r, what this Bersalim said, this is 3 minus 2r is my first decision parameter. What the Bersalim said, this is 3 minus 2r is my first decision parameter. Okay. Now I am going to select the point again. So for this 3 minus 2r, suppose I have put in the equation, see the point I have selected, okay, f of a plus f of b, this one, and this become is my d old. Okay, that value I have put in a d old in previous one. See. Now what is my next point is going to come? This is the a and this is the b. In previous slide I have shown which one? This is my a, okay, and this is my b. Okay, that have shifted from this direction because of I have selected this point. I have selected which point? This point I have selected. Means what? What are the upcoming point? This is my upcoming point A or this is my upcoming point B. So either I have to select A or B. So this is my next decision parameter. So that you have to consider for my next decision parameter. But how you can calculate which one is the distance? Means आता हे जे डिस्टन्स आहे मी इथे ठेवलं बा B to this आणि हे डिस्टन्स, तर कोणतं डिस्टन्स कमी आहे? This one is the distance lower. So they obviously going to select B. but this is by observing by me. But how the program can do? Program cannot say. प्रोग्रामला तुम्हाला मॅथमॅटिकली प्रूव्ह करून दाखवावं लागेल, यस दिस इज द लेस डिस्टन्स अदर दॅन a distance, means upper one distance. So how you can do? So go for the next that I have put, suppose d old value means what? That is your decision parameter old value. So that just you are calculated. D is what? D old value is less than is equals to 0. Means what is the D? So that D, what you have calculated? 3 minus, what is the first D? Can anybody told me? What is your
3 minus 2r.
Yes, 3 minus
2r.
2r, correct. So 3 minus 2r is my first decision parameter. Okay. So suppose this r, this is a multiplication sign, this r is less than, okay, is less than 0. So that time I have to select is less than equal to 0. I have to select d new. See here I have writing d new. So d new is for what? This is my f of a. See f of a over here. Okay. This is my f of a and this is my f of b. Understood? And what are the coordinates of f of a, f of b? See xn plus 2. Okay, xn plus 2 म्हणजे हा पॉइंट पहा. या पॉइंटची व्हॅल्यू काय राहणार? xn plus 2 yn. Okay, xn plus 2 yn. So these are the coordinates for this point. Okay. Now, what are the next point? Yn plus 2, yn minus 1. So this is my b point. Okay. So that I have to go over here, b point. Everybody understood? This is my d new value because of upcoming values are going to come. Now proceed. Then you have to, what this algorithm said, that you have to subtract. Means what? That you have to put this value in your equation. What is the equation of our circle? X square plus y square minus r square. So that I have put in the equation. So once I have put in the equation, so what is the value is going to come? That is the value for this one is xn plus 2 whole square plus y square minus r square, and here become again this xn plus 2 whole square, okay, plus y minus 1 whole square minus r. Understood? This is my d new value. This is my d old value. So d old value is nothing but your decision parameter. Okay. So that decision parameter you have calculated previously. This is my dp 3 minus 2r. Now proceed. What they have said, you have to again do what the things? You have to perform d new minus d old. Why? Because of you have to calculate which one is the distance less. Why I am subtracting? I need to calculate हा जो डिस्टन्स आहे हा लेस आहे कशापेक्षा? यापेक्षा, अपर वन पेक्षा. तो कोण डिसाइड करणार? डी न्यू मायनस डी ओल्ड. ओके. सो दॅट यू हॅव टू मेक द सबट्रॅक्शन and then you have to solve this equation entire. Once you solve it, so after solving you get d new minus d old is equal to 4xn plus 6. 4xn plus 6. Okay, once you got this 4xn plus 6, so what they have said, this is my next decision parameter, because of once you have selected this one, okay, for selection of this new is my, what is the new decision parameter? dp is equals to, that decision parameter is equals to decision parameter plus 4xn plus 6. So जसं आपण x is equal to x plus 1 म्हणतोय, तसंच इथे काय करणार? पहिला जो डिसिजन पॅरामीटर आहे त्याला इक्वल टू डिसिजन पॅरामीटर प्लस 4x plus 6. Okay. dp, suppose this decision parameter suppose less than is equals to 0. Okay, this decision parameter is less than is equals to 0. That time you have to calculate the next decision parameter. Means what? See, proceed for the next one. This one. Okay, means suppose that is my previous screen. Okay, d old is less than is equal to 0. That time I have calculated decision parameter this one and perform x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1 1. Now this case is becoming false. आता ही जी केस आहे फॉल्स पण होऊ शकते. जो माझा पहिला डिसिजन पॅरामीटर आहे 3-2r हा 0 पेक्षा मोठा पण असू शकतो. इट्स मे बी द greater than 0. So that time what you can do? See, so that time you have to do, this is my sum of AB, that my D old value, and suppose this is my greater than 0. Understood? In previous slide less than is equals to 0, here greater than. Suppose greater than 0, so that I have already selected which point? This one point. And which is the point upcoming? This is my A point is upcoming, okay, and B point. म्हणजे माझे नंतर येणारे पॉइंट कोणते आहेत? ए आणि बी. आणि या ए बी मधून मला एखादा सिलेक्ट करायचा आहे. आय हॅव टू सिलेक्ट एनी वन. बट हाऊ? सो दॅट इज बाय द डिस्टन्स. मीन्स आता इथे हा जो डिस्टन्स आहे हा लेस आहे, हा डिस्टन्स लार्ज आहे. So that can be decided by using calculation. So same calculation you have to perform here again. So this point A and B. So what is the coordinates of this? Xn plus 2 yn minus 1, and here B coordinates xn plus 2 yn minus 2. A चे coordinates काय राहणार? What is the coordinates of A? This is xn plus 2 yn minus 1. And what is the coordinates of this B? This xn plus 2 y minus 1 y minus 2. Okay, now proceed for the next one then. So here you have to put this point on your equation, that is d nu is equal to f of A for B, so that the point is the same. That just I have selected this xn plus 2 y minus 1 and xn plus 2 y minus 2. Now what is the equation of the circle? X square plus y square minus r square. Put this point on that equation, okay, and then again this is the point also you have to put on that equation. So what the value is going to come? See, d nu is equal to xn plus 2 whole square yn minus 1 whole square minus r square. This is the square, huh? Then xn plus 2 whole square yn minus 2 whole square minus r square. Then again you have to put the subtraction. What is the subtraction? That d nu minus d old. So suppose you are performing d nu minus d old. So what is that equations come? See, that you have to subtract this my d nu value. Just which one value? This one value, my d nu value. Okay, this is my d nu value. And which one my d old? This is my d old value. So that d old value is over here in square bracket. I have written. See, this I have written in the square bracket. So make the subtraction of these two. Okay, and solve this equation. Once you solve this equation, wait for the moment. Okay, so after solving, what you got? That is d nu minus d old 4xn minus 4yn plus 10. Okay, so that's become my next decision parameter. So when this decision parameters comes at the time of d old value is greater than 0. So this is the way. So once this is greater than 0, so that time you have to increment with x by 1, y by 1. Now proceed for the next. How can write this algorithm? See, so that I have already told you, you have to consider here 8-way symmetry. So that's the diagram I have drawn here for 8-way symmetry. So this is my xy coordinates that you can consider minus x, y, and that replace the x with the y and y with the x, that become yx. Here again you have to put the minus yx. Means suppose you have calculated here one quadrant part, means only quadrant half portion of the circle. Just I am coloring this much the portion that you have to first draw. So that you have to repeat. That you have to repeat this much time 8 times. So that is going to draw 8-way symmetry. Now we can start. So just simple that the C code I am going to explain. So here read x1. X1 is equal to 0, y1 is equal to r. That is my starting point. So my decision parameter is 3 minus 2r. Go for the display function, that is for my A2 symmetry. Now while x1 less than y1, okay, if that you can drop to x1 less than y1 while opening curly bracket if d less than is equal to 0. Okay, that decision parameter where you have calculated the decision parameter, this one, हा decision parameter जो काढलेला आहे तो जर less than 0 असेल, okay, so what you can do then, d is equal to d plus 4x1 plus 6 and increment x1 plus plus. Else, then else part, then next decision parameter what you have calculated, d is equal to d plus 4 x1 minus y1 plus 10, and here you have to increment x1 and y1 you can decrement, and then pass this in the display function. So in the display function, where is the display function? This is for my display function A2 symmetry function. Okay, so this A2 symmetry can directly draw no circles. Now how can write the A2 symmetry? Go for this is my A2 symmetry function. So while writing A2 symmetry, the display function already what the parameter you need, xy is my center of the circle, this is my x and y, okay, and what are the parameter you have to call, x1 y1. आता x1 y1 हे इथे मी जे xy घेतले ते x1 y1 आहेत बरं का, this is my all x1 y1, okay, that I have put this x1 y1, so that you have to add and subtract. See, so display function x, y, x1, y1, these are the 4 parameters you have to pass. Opening curly bracket, use the put pixel. Put pixel x plus 1, that is x plus, that is x plus x1, y plus y1. Both are to plus. Then minus plus x minus x1, y minus y plus y1. 15 is the color. Then x plus x1, y minus y1, and x minus x1, y minus y1. Means what? That I am calling the same put pixel 4 times. Okay, and that I am replacing. In the next one, I am replacing this x1 with what? y1. This x1 you have to replace with the y1, and this y1 you have to replace over here with x1. Here you have to replace, and again call the 4 times, plus plus minus plus, okay, then plus minus minus minus. Got it? So this is the way that you can write the algorithm. Okay, so simple you have to write. So that you have to start by using your xy reading value, and then x1 y1 that you have to put 0 and r. First of all, the decision parameter, by default decision parameter you can consider 3 minus 2r that you have calculated. Now go for xy, x1, y1. So xy is nothing but your center of the circle, x1, y1 parameters. Okay, that you have considered this x1, y1. Okay, and this xy is the center of the circle and radius r. Now here x1 less than y1. Yes, x1 is value 0 and y1 is value r, is always less than. So that goes with the decision parameter is suppose less than 0, that time you have to calculate the next decision parameter and increment x1. Okay, else you have to again calculate decision parameter, increment x1 and decrement y1, and call this function. This time function calling, see that I am putting the calling function 2 times. Okay, one outside the while loop, one inside the while loop. This function will call, and then that function will going to draw the pixel by using put pixel. So that you have to use the put pixel 8 times. So plus plus minus plus plus minus minus minus, and here you have to change the value of this x1 with the y1. Okay, and then again you have to change the value y1 with the x1, and again call this 4 times and close your display function. So how are you going to write the program? Okay, So is there any question you have understood? Because I have explained this 2 times. I have already explained this. Is there any question or student?
No, sir.
No. So are you able to
sir.
explain the program? Shall I explain or can you implement it? Yes, tell me.
Sir, implement it.
You are able to implement it? Sure. Okay, we'll try to implement again. Okay. So after how many minutes that you are going to end the meeting? 3 minutes. Once this meeting is going to end, you have to join with the same link. Okay, then we'll take the attendance in the next joining. Just stop the sharing over here. Here I have to share. Okay, is it visible, sir? Okay, I think it's visible. File, new program we can take. We have to write the title here. So which is the title? Suppose Bressarem circle. This is a simple algorithm. Now I have to save here, suppose B circle BC dot CPP. Now what you can do first, you have to include which file? Hash include IO stream.h, that is input output stream.h. Okay. Then next one file is what? Hash include graphics.h. Second, you have to include, suppose, conio.h. Okay. Now I have to consider these 3 files common. Okay. Conio.h for read any character, and this one graphics.h and iostream.h. Now I have to use in this the display function. So for this, I have to call void. So display is the name of my function. Display is the name of my function. So I have which parameter I have to pass here? All integer. Because of here no fractional calculation, is float calculation याच्यात होणारच नाही. Second, this is my function define. That are function define. Okay. Void main void. Okay. So I'm not explaining again because of already I have explained 2-3 times why I'm writing void inside and why I'm writing outside the function. int gd I have to collect here. So this is my detect, and then go for gm. Say graphic driver, graphics mode. So we'll have consider any float value or calculation dp, okay, for decision parameter. Then x, y I have considered. Then r, x1, y1. Okay. Suppose I have to draw this on my axis. Suppose the axis I have to take. Then what you can do? X max, okay, y max, then x mid, y mid. Okay. Then init graph. So in the init graph, what the parameter you can pass? And gd means address of gd, that you declare, address of gm. Now once again all of you welcome. Now here I have considered which one. This is the my graphics path. So c colon here 2 backslash turbo c3 2 backslash bzi borderline graphics interface. This is the file you have to include. Means init graph, initialize the graph is gdgm, and then our graph is path. Proceed for the next one then. So what you can do, what's our aim? To draw the circle. Right for a minute. Okay. So here I have to go first, see out, enter the center of the circle, and then ready, sir. You can put the message, enter the center of circle and yes, radius. In you can put the x, then y, and then r. Okay, read this two values. First of all, center of the circle and radius r. You have to read it. Now proceed. Next one. So once you read this, then suppose I have consider my this entire circle on x axis, y axis. So how can proceed here? Suppose what's my x max, okay, is equal to get max x, then y max is equal to get max y, okay, then x mid is equal to what? X max by 2, y mid is equal to what? Y max by 2. Means in 2-3 programs suppose you are writing, so regularly you can recall it. Suppose I have to draw the line. Suppose the line is for my first x-axis. Suppose that is my 0. I have considered x mid. Okay, that is my x max. Okay, x mid. Is it correct or something wrong? Here must be y coordinates in the y mid. Okay, and this is my y mid. Suppose you started with the x, then x mid. So line with x mid, comma 0, x mid, comma y max. Okay, so this is my x-axis, and this is my y-axis. Okay, so I'm going to show this program again. Now, once you draw the x-axis, y-axis, okay, then point. But this point, first of all, you have to convert as per your x-axis, y-axis. So what is your point? X is equals to x mid plus x, and y is equals to y mid minus y. Means that the origin, what is your new origin? X mid, y mid origin. So this point is as per the new origin, this xy, once you have converted it. So start your algorithm. What that algorithm say? Once x1 is equal to 0, you can consider, and y1 you can consider as an r. Okay. Then first calculate the decision parameter dp. So what is the decision parameter dp? 3 minus 2r, 2 multiplied by r. This is my by default first decision parameter. Then call this. Suppose I have function in this decision parameter display. This is my function x y x1 y. Okay, so that function should be called over here. Now proceed. While x1 is always less than your y1, so this is my while loop. Not necessary to remember because of x1. Which one x1? This x1. See, x1 is 0 and y1 is r. So this is always less than 0. Now proceed. Suppose I have said this while x1 less than y1. Then proceed for the next one by using opening curly bracket. Start your while loop. While starting while loop, first of all, if this decision parameter, whatever the decision parameter you have calculated, is less than is equals to 0. Okay, where you have calculated decision parameter? Here. See, this is my 3 minus 2r. This is my decision parameter. Is less than is equals to 0. So that time what you can do? You have to increment what dp is equals to dp plus 4x1 multiplied by x1 plus 6. This is my first decision parameter. Then x1 plus plus, that you have to increment x1. Close this. Okay. Else, again, you have to calculate the decision parameter. dp is equals to dp plus what 4 multiplied by in bracket x1 minus y1. Okay, plus 10. This is my next decision parameter. And x1 plus plus, you have to increment x1, and y1 here you have to minus minus. Everybody understood? This is my algorithm. That for decision parameter is less than 0, that time you have to calculate the next decision parameter with 4x1 plus 6, increment x1. If not, then again calculate decision parameter for x, that is 4x1 minus y1 in the bracket plus 10, increment x1 and decrement y1. Now, once you call this in a display function, again you can call over here in while loop. So what is this display function? That is display xy and x1 y1. Because of this x1 y1 you are newly calculated. Here you are end while loop. Okay. Now read any one character, get here suppose after drawing this circle, and then close the graph. So this is a very simple program. It's not very big. Okay, here may say it is the end main function. So I have to save again this program. So again we can check it. Now that detects, okay, then read the point, then max, then draw the line, then convert as per the x1, then 0 or 3 minus 2 or display x1 that you have calculated x1, okay, with the DC first 4. Okay, once you check it, compile it. So that 0 error, 0 warning, and then you can easily run it. See, while running, what they have said, the undefined symbol display. Okay, so something is wrong over here, display. Yes, why? Because of we have not declared that function. Means declare, okay, calling but not define. So here you have to define. So what is our display function? Okay, suppose I am using, sorry, the display function is what? Void display. Okay, in a display I am passing int x, int y, int x1, int y1. Okay. So these are the parameters you have to pass in the display function. Here you have to use the put pixel. So that the put pixel x plus x1, correct? Y plus y1. No, 15. 15 is the color. Now again call this function put pixel. Here x minus suppose x1, comma y minus y1, comma 15 again. So this function you have to call 4 times first of all. Now x plus x1, y minus y1, comma 15. In the previous one I have considered 2 times, so just you have to consider over here plus. You may write first, last, no time. Put pixel, that both you have to minus, suppose x minus x1, y minus y. So that you have to call 4 times. Okay. Now replace this x1 value with the y1 and y1 value with the x1. So I am put like this. Put pixel. So what x plus y1, correct, and y plus x1. Means interchange the value of this. And again 15 is the color that you have to use. Then put pixel. Here Again, go for the plus plus minus plus. So here minus I am using first y plus x1 comma 15. This same thing you have already used in where DDA circle drawing algorithm. That I'm again repeating over here. Okay, y minus x1 15. And last one, put pixel, that is x minus y1 and y minus x1 is the color. So this is my 8 times I have called. So that become my 8-way symmetry. Okay. So here I need to comma. This is my 8-way symmetry. Now save this program. Okay. Again I have to save it. Then compile it. Then run it. See. So enter the center of the circle and radius. Suppose the center of the circle I am putting 100 and radius is 60. So 100 both are positive value. Okay, 100 both are positive value. That's why the circle becomes first part. Suppose I have to replace the positive value with the negative. Suppose minus 100 minus 100. Suppose in the third quadrant, this is my 60. In the third quadrant, that will be displayed. Now go proceed for the next one again. Minus 100. You have to check in all the quadrants whether that is to draw. Okay. So this is in the second quadrant. And last one, again you can verify with 100 minus 100 and 70 somewhere. So this is the way that you can execute the program. Execute that Bresson circle drawing algorithm on an axis. Because of user having that much freedom, so they can put the center in both positive value, negative value, one positive, another negative value. You are the programmer, you have to modify this program as per user enter the values. So everybody understood it? Turn on your mic on and tell me, or is there any question regarding this? So you have to execute this program on your side, okay, and that upload on a Moodle. Both. I am going to put this Bressenheim's line one link and Bressenheim's circle one link. Both the program you have to upload. And those you have not uploaded, so I have mentioned their marks also. So that consider as an your term work mark. Okay. Just time to stop the sharing. Wait for the moment. I will take the attendance. Why only 33 students present? Yes. So those are the absent student. Okay. So I will call to their parents why they are absent. Is there any problem while absenting? Okay. And you have to upload this program. Okay. I will check on Moodle also whether you are implementing it or not. if you are facing any problem, I have already told you, you have to send me the message, or whatever the error that you are facing, that you have to send me on WhatsApp. So we will solve it. And I have already explained you how you are going to install on your uh, mobile also by using Magic DOS box. So there is no reason, everybody having an Android phone. Okay, so there is no reason that you don't have PC or don't have a laptop. Okay, don't tell me any reason. So I am not going to implement, sir. So that reason I am not going to accept. Okay, I will mark that mark as a 0. Okay, 10 more mark I am going to reduce it. So thank you very much.